We're in the season of indulgence, but this eggnog cream pie won't make you feel guilty at all. First, have your gluten-free crust ready. Now, get your vanilla pudding ready. I like to use Mama Chia brand because it is truly incredible. And it's low sugar, which is beneficial for your hormone health. Add 3.5 to 3.9 ounces of your pudding mix. Then 1 1/4 cup of your eggnog. I actually used oat nog, but you could use whatever you like. Next, add a 1/4 teaspoon of organic pumpkin spice. Now, I like to maximize nutrients any way I can, so I added 4 Sigmatic creamer for a little extra oomph. I also added a functional mushroom blend, but you don't have to. This is your dish. You can make it however you want. Just have fun with it. Now fold in your 8 ounces of whipping cream. Once it's all folded properly, all you have to do is add it to your pie crust. And that's it. Pretty easy, right? Just put it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or let it set overnight. And voila, you have a beautiful dessert that's low sugar, gluten-free, and you won't feel guilty about eating, and the entire family will enjoy it because it's absolutely delicious. So comment below, let me know what you think, and don't forget to like, share, and follow my channel, Consciously Connected with me, Kay. I'm a holistic health coach specializing in women's hormone health. I appreciate y'all, and stay tuned for more recipes like this.